Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are stepping into the big leagues of diesel pushers with this stunning 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 37R. For those of you who know the Fleetwood lineup, the Discovery is the gold standard for luxury and performance. This particular coach is a 38-foot masterpiece that strikes that perfect balance between high-end features and manageable length. With only 57,000 miles on the odometer, this coach has been gently used and is ready for its next long-haul adventure. One of the first things you are going to notice as we walk the exterior is the Times Square graphics scheme. This is Fleetwood's premium full-body paint package. Notice how the blacks, silvers, and grays flow together seamlessly. There are no vinyl stickers here to peel or fade in the sun. It's a timeless, automotive-grade finish that looks as sharp today as the day it rolled off the assembly line. As we move along the passenger side, check out the sheer amount of slide-outs. This 37R floor plan features 4 full-size slides. When those are extended, the interior footprint expands into a spacious oasis that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. For your outdoor enjoyment, this Discovery is loaded with shade. You have a massive power patio awning, a power door awning to keep you dry while you're coming and going, and even a full window awning package to keep the interior cool on those bright summer days. Don't miss the exterior entertainment center tucked right here into the sidewall. It features a 32-inch TV, stereo, and speakers, making it the ultimate setup for entertaining friends at the campsite. As we continue this walk around, take note of the polished wheels and the overall clean lines of this coach. It's clear that the previous owner took great pride in maintaining the exterior of this Discovery. We're going to wrap up the exterior overview and get into the heavy-duty mechanical systems that really set this unit apart from the competition. Let's dive into the guts of this machine, because this is where the Discovery truly outshines the entry-level diesel pushers. While many coaches in this size range use the smaller 6.7-liter engine, this Discovery is powered by the heavy-duty Cummins ISL9 diesel engine. This engine is a beast, producing 380 horsepower and a massive 1,150 foot-pounds of torque. When you are pulling a heavy trailer or climbing a steep grade in the mountains, that extra torque is exactly what you want. It's paired with the upgraded Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission, which is designed to handle the higher torque loads of the ISL9 engine with ease. Moving to the storage bays, we have full pass-through basement compartments built into the heavy-duty Freightliner chassis. Notice this, we've even got a slide-out storage tray. This makes it incredibly easy to reach your heavy gear without having to crawl deep into the bays. For your electrical needs, you have the top-tier Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. This is a significant upgrade that provides more than enough power to run both roof ACs and all your appliances simultaneously. It also features auto-gen start, so you can leave your pets in the coach with total peace of mind, knowing the generator will kick on if the batteries get low or the temperature rises. Everything about the utility side of this coach is designed for convenience. You have 50-amp service with a power cord reel, so you aren't wrestling with a heavy extension cord at the end of a long drive. There is also a Magnum inverter charger and dedicated battery disconnects to keep your systems managed. Looking at the rear, you'll see the 10,000-pound trailer hitch. To help you manage that load safely, the coach is equipped with a full camera system, including side view and rear view cameras that feed right to your in-dash monitor. Setup at the campground is a breeze thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. Just hit the touchpad and the coach does the work for you. With full air brakes and full air ride suspension, this Discovery offers a driving experience that is as smooth as it is powerful. It's built for the serious traveler who wants maximum performance and effortless utility on every trip. welcome inside your new home on the road. As we step into the front living area, the impact of those 4 slide-outs is immediate. The space is wide, open, and feels incredibly residential. The layout is designed for both comfort and conversation. On the passenger side, we have a plush pull-out sleeper sofa that provides comfortable sleeping for 2 guests. Directly across, you've got a stylish Euro recliner. It's the best seat in the house for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. For your entertainment, a 40-inch TV is perfectly positioned for easy viewing. You'll also notice the dinette table with 2 standalone chairs, which gives the space a much more open and high-end feel than a traditional booth. The cabinetry throughout is classic Fleetwood quality, solid, beautiful, and offering plenty of storage for your travel essentials. The front cockpit is also a highlight, with comfortable captain's chairs that swivel to become part of the living area when you're parked. This is a space where you can truly relax and enjoy the luxury of the Discovery lifestyle. The kitchen in this 37R is a total game changer. Not only do you have the stainless steel residential refrigerator and a microwave convection oven, but check this out. It comes with the dishwasher option. Having a dishwasher in a motorhome is the ultimate luxury, making cleanup effortless so you can get back to enjoying your vacation. Moving toward the rear, we enter the middle bathroom area. And this is another area where the Discovery really shows off its residential design. This is a very spacious layout, featuring an oversized sink and a large vanity with plenty of counter space for your morning routine. For added privacy and convenience, the toilet is located in a private water closet. This separate room includes its own additional sink and vanity, as well as a power vent fan to keep things fresh. This 1.5 style functionality is fantastic when you have guests staying in the front sleeper sofa. It allows multiple people to get ready at the same time without feeling cramped. The finishes in here are top-notch, from the lighting fixtures to the cabinetry, ensuring that even the bathroom feels like a high-end retreat. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and it is absolutely beautiful. The queen-sized bed is situated in its own slide-out, which provides plenty of walk-around space so you don't feel tight in the mornings. For your late-night entertainment, you have a 32-inch TV positioned right at the foot of the bed. Storage is a major highlight back here. You have a massive wardrobe closet that can handle everything from coats to hanging clothes, plus a large bank of drawers for all your folded items. One feature you are definitely going to appreciate is the washer and dryer combo. It's already installed and ready to go, which means no more hunting for laundromats while you're on the road. This bedroom feels bright and airy thanks to the large windows, but you have high-quality shades for total privacy when it's time to sleep. It's a quiet, comfortable space that really emphasizes the Discovery in Discovery, allowing you to travel further and stay longer without sacrificing any of the comforts of home. As we finish up our tour of this 2015 Fleetwood Discovery 37R, let's quickly recap why this coach is such an incredible value. You are getting a high-end diesel pusher with only 57,000 miles. You're getting the massive power of the Cummins ISL9 engine with 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 3000 transmission. With 4 slides, the Times Square full-body paint, the dishwasher and the washer-dryer combo, This coach is fully loaded and ready for the highway. It's a 38-foot Oasis that offers a level of luxury and performance that is hard to find in this size range. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this walk around today. We love showing off these high-quality units here at Porter's RV Sales. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more luxury RV tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!